Okay, so today we're going to have a look at angles in triangles and quadrilaterals. Okay, first of all, of course, triangle, three-sided shape, angles add up to 180 degrees. Quadrilateral, four-sided shape, angles add up to 360 degrees. Now they're pretty straightforward. But there are, of course, some special triangles, some special quadrilaterals. First off, let's have a look at triangles. Now we've got your standard four main types of triangles. So you got your scalene triangle, all sides different, all angles different. Next up, you got your equilateral triangle. So I always get the spelling wrong. Equilateral triangle, all sides the same. Would be helpful if I actually be able to do that. All sides the same, all angles the same. Okay, and of course, if all of the angles are the same and they all add up to 180 degrees, they are all going to be 60 degrees. Okay, you've got your right angle triangle, where of course one of the angles is 90 degrees. The other two doesn't really matter. One thing that you should probably realise though is that right angle triangles can also be scalene and they can also be isosceles. Okay, so right angle triangle isn't its own type, it can be other types as well. Okay, for example, if that and that were the same, then that would be an isosceles triangle that's also a right angle triangle. Speaking of isosceles triangles, this is how it's spelled: isosceles. Two sides the same, two angles the same. Equal angles, equal ankles. All right. So if you were to get a question that's like, I don't know, that's what should we make that? Let's make that 40 degrees there, and you've got to try and find out what that one is. Get your 180 degrees, take away 40, which is of course 140. To get that angle, you just divide it by 2 because there is two of them. This one, and that one. And of course that'd be 70 degrees. Triangles, pretty straightforward. People often forget though about certain types of quadrilaterals. Okay, first off, let's start with your parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram has got two pairs of parallel sides, just like that. And also opposite angles on this one are exactly the same. So these two are the same, and these two that I'm drawing right now are also the same. Also, you should know angles in parallel lines. That one there and that one there, those are called co-interior angles, and they add up to 180 degrees. So that means that these here add up to 180 degrees, and these here together add up to 180 degrees. Okay, that's your parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay, we've also got this type of shape, which is an isosceles trapezium. Okay, not all trapeziums, or trapezia, I should really say, are isosceles, but this one is. Okay, in this case, this obtuse angle here is the same as this obtuse angle here. That acute angle there is the same as that acute angle there. And again, these add to 180, these add to 180 as well. All right, all good. They're your special types of quadrilaterals. What other types are there? Of course, you've got your rhombus, but you treat that exactly the same way as your parallelogram. Rhombus. What else have you got? You've got your arrowhead as well. The only thing about an arrowhead is you've got a reflex angle there. So use, of course, this reflex angle there, not the obtuse angle that goes the other side of it. And of course you've got your rectangle, you've got your square, all 90 degrees. And that's pretty much it for special triangles and special quadrilaterals. Pretty straightforward. I hope you found that too. Okay.